Still manually merging Excel sheets? Stop wasting hours. There's a faster way. Click any dataset, press Ctrl T, hit Enter, and give your table a name. Do this for all sheets. Click inside the New York _sales table. Go to Data, then from Table Range. Power Query opens. Go Home, next New Source, then Other Sources, and Blank Query. Type Excel.CurrentWorkbook, press Enter. Now, click the small table icon, select Expand, check all columns, uncheck Use Original Column as Prefix, and hit OK. Click Close and Load. Boom, all sheets combined.